Monitoring Bill.com API integration is crucial to ensure seamless and efficient financial management. This guide will walk you through the steps to monitor Bill.com API integration effectively. First, understand the basics of Bill.com API and its integration with your financial system. The Bill.com API allows you to automate tasks, sync data, and access financial information programmatically. Integration with your financial system enables real-time data exchange, reducing manual errors and increasing productivity. To start monitoring, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the API settings. Here, you will find the API keys, client ID, and other essential details required for integration. Ensure that the API keys are secure and not shared with unauthorized personnel. Next, set up API logging to track all API requests and responses. This will help you identify any errors, timeouts, or other issues that may arise during integration. You can use tools like API logging software or consult with your development team to set up logging. Now, let's discuss key concepts to monitor during Bill.com API integration. These include API request and response formats, data validation, and error handling. Ensure that API requests are in the correct format, and responses are properly parsed and validated. Implement robust error handling to catch and resolve any issues promptly. To illustrate this, consider a practical example. Suppose you are integrating Bill.com with your accounting software to sync invoices. You need to monitor the API requests and responses to ensure that invoices are correctly synced, and any errors are properly handled. Best practices for monitoring Bill.com API integration include regular API log review, testing API requests and responses, and implementing automated monitoring tools. Regularly review API logs to identify and resolve issues promptly. Test API requests and responses to ensure they are working as expected. Consider implementing automated monitoring tools to streamline the monitoring process. In conclusion, monitoring Bill.com API integration is vital to ensure efficient financial management. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Bill.com API integration and resolve any issues promptly. Remember to keep your API keys secure, set up API logging, and implement robust error handling to ensure seamless integration.